Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you accidentally dropped your iPhone underwater? Liquid damage can be serious, so act fast to save your device. In this video, I will show you 4 different steps you can take to minimize the damage to your iPhone. Let's go. While most iPhones are designed to be water resistant, it's important to know your model's limits. For example, the iPhone 15, 14, 13, and 12 models can handle depths of up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max can go up to 4 meters, while the iPhone 11 XS and XS Max are good up to 2 meters. Older models, such as the iPhone SE 2nd generation through iPhone 7 Plus, are only water resistant to 1 meter. But remember, this resistance weakens over time with wear, and any liquid damage isn't covered by Apple's warranty, especially if some of the parts are replacements. When it comes to water damage, knowing what to do and what not to do can potentially save your device. First, get it out of the water as quickly as possible because the longer it's underwater, the greater the risk. To prevent electrical damage, turn it off immediately if it is still on. Next, remove any cases and the SIM card tray to allow water to drain. Then, gently wipe down your iPhone with a soft, absorbent cloth and let it air dry. In addition, there are some important things you should avoid doing to prevent further damage. First, don't plug it in right away, as charging a wet phone can cause serious, often irreparable harm. You can also skip the rice trick, as these tiny grains can easily get stuck in delicate components. Similarly, avoid using cotton swabs, paper towels, or any other objects to try and dry out the ports. Finally, don't expose your phone to extreme temperatures like direct sunlight or a hairdryer. If your iPhone starts acting erratically after drying, try a quick force restart to see if that fixes the problem. Keep in mind though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Although iPhones don't have a built-in way to eject water, there's a popular method you can try to get the liquid out. If you'd like to know more about this, I have another video that explains it in detail. You can find it by clicking the tag in the top right corner or the link in the description below. Unfortunately, if your iPhone still won't turn on after drying for at least 48 hours, your device's hardware components may be damaged. In that case, head over to support.apple.com/iphone/repair to schedule a visit at an Apple authorized service center. If that's too expensive, consider a trusted third-party repair shop instead. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.